Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case the Google Feeds are activated, and now will show you how you can turn it off. So just for the first, you have to hold your screen and here go to the home settings, and right now you got here the swipe access, and here just switch the Google Feed to the nothing, and now we'll check that, go back, and as can you see, when I'm swiping with my finger I can't open the Google Feeds. And if you want to just turn it on, if you want to enable the Google Feeds again, just go by the same way to the home settings, and here tap to the swipe access section, switch it to the Google Feed, and as can you see right now our Google Feeds are enabled. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.